here's my phone, and I'm going to do a little story for myself. Hi, so I am just doing a story, and I want to show people a cool little thing. So I've done my little story here, and then up here at the top, there is a little smiley face, square face. And if you go in there, most of you will already know this. If you go in here, there's a whole lot of stickers. Now, I shared today in my story about how I made gifts that I can search for myself that have my own face to put in here. But I'm actually just going to use the Captions app, which is a little sticker, and it's going to transcribe my words. So it means that I can actually have subtitles on my story to help people see it. And it's really good for readability. And one of the things I do is if I make these for under 15 seconds long, like this, I can download that and then turn it into a TikTok. I can add it as a LinkedIn story. I can add it onto YouTube. I can create it. So it's just a little story. I've added the caption sticker on there. So the stories are discard this. Stories are, you find the stories by clicking on your profile picture here.